Okay, so you take the nose pads out, hold them like this. It's very important that this is put in straight into the slot. Not angled, but straight into the slot. So the first thing you do, take the nose pad, lighter, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then straight in. Then you do it the same way the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight in. You let it cool. Doesn't take long to cool. And then you see how hard I'm pulling this? Look at my fingers. Can you see that? It's working. I can't pull them out. So they're in set. You can adjust them, and that's it.